And we are here talking about 68 years of what? I'm celebrating. I'm talking to you. Our leaders are wicked. Medina, not your here Medina, the proper Medina. Medina no wa when the man near Bukrum and
Abusia Independence Day celebration and annual da a course so 6 March year any overshare His Excellency John Dramani Mahaha or celebrity near Kama now all say Secretary dia na MPP abano a wasting war Independence Day celebration no na enam so amagana sika sem nyina ato apeno ono de onye ne saa nti obey ni bika krebi na den se mi betu Ghana fon so kire se send His Excellency John Dramani Canadian is a baby crabby. And so at no celebration there course on the Yina Yehui. And a man for any busa say. So Independence Day celebration where His Excellency John Dramani Mahaha a celebrity, you know. And then another the difference be any womb. And I pay Prophet Kofi Oduro any waba abeto to be Ediama His Excellency John Dramani Mahaha. Abusia I elected GH rumors. And then the first time I pop into our video I mess up so I'll be subscribe or be like and if you want leave you comment send your YB you be your comment section ho. Abusia Prophet Kofi Oduro any and some of kind no any.
I'm not talking about your Medina. I'm talking about the real Medina. I said I get up and go and help us please. The real Medina. Then I'm going to ask the question, seriously, does it look like? Does it look like? Does it look like? You're busily jumping in. Look at how beautiful everybody is looking. But it will shock you, the road that goes to your house. The road that goes to your house. There is no road to your house. A house is built. There is no road to the house. When I look at the landscape of Dubai, anything else you want to show me? And then let me focus on what I'm trying to do. Anything else, there is nothing. It's all right. Kick up. It's okay. Cut it off. Now, when you look carefully, a house is built. You can take the picture off. A house is built, but there are no toilets in the house. I was born here in Tesano. I grew up in Fadama and Abeka. Even after many years, I have left here still toilet in Ifio. Even Ghpagenews. And we are here talking about 68 years of what? Celebrating. I'm talking to you. It's extremely shameful. So when you suffer, Ghana, Christianity have come into Ghana. And the ghpagenews. Who are producing? So he said, the kingdom shall be taken away from you, and given, it shall be given to a nation that is bringing the proper fruit. The proper. That's what I say. When you marry, will be our genetics or no. When you marry, will be an near be this or no. Adia yet be fair, a yen fair. Adia met time. Time. I'm serious. And when I look at the people living in the Islamic nation, when I look at their infrastructural landscape, I can boldly say they're thinking like God. Proper roads, proper hospitals, proper schools, infrastructure, road, railway system, underground trains, surface trains, sky trains, trams, beautiful landscape. Momo G kasa mo de sky trains no. Dadie ba kokura sky train faso. It's not here. Our leaders are wicked. Very wicked. to show you 6 years in Nkrumah's tenure, what he was able to achieve in 6 years. Put the list there for me. Let me run through. Hallelujah. Okay, show me a picture of London if you have it. If not, I will take my time. But my dominance will be in the Middle East, the Far East, and the Near East. I will pick up Islamic nation. I will pick up Qatar. I will pick up Bahrain. I will pick up Oman. I will pick up Jordan. Okay, this is London. When you look at London, the landscape is beautiful. But you can tell that this is an old city. The reason is because they are preserving everything. Yeah, the House of Commons, London Eye, and all the things that are in the picture, oval, they are keeping everything. Everything is intentionally being kept. Show me Dubai or Qatar, modern cities, and then we can be able to take it from there. Now, when my focus is shifted from London, which is a Christian nation, and I bring it to Islamic nations, people and places who do not believe in Christ. They don't believe in your Jesus. When I look at you, Republic of Ghana, you tell me 70% of your population is Christian. Then 20% is possibly Muslim. And 5 or 15% is possibly Muslim. Another 10% is traditional religion, and the 5% don't believe in anything. And I love these statistics. I wish these statistics are the actual statistics. I love it. I want to see that happening. But actually, ladies and gentlemen, the people that sing about Christ, that believes in Christ, that talks about Christ, that exalts Christ, that honors Christ, the people, those people, what are the fruits they are producing? We should check their fruits. Uzu obi someone why or no onyanhu why no otisumo metiase ababen no almost. I want to know the fruit. He said the kingdom is going to be taken away from you and given to a nation that is bringing the fruits thereof. And so when you look at the Middle East, for example, Saudi Arabia, when you look carefully, give me pictures, please. Let us work. Where is this? What is this place? Don't just give me pictures. Tell me where we are. I want to concentrate on the Middle East. Europe is not part of it. London is not part of it. What is this one? Dubai. This one is not depicting Dubai's, normal landscape. Give me proper landscaping of Dubai. There is some things that shows up when you see that they even sell those things as souvenirs. Once you see it, you can say, this is here. So show me stuff that would depict the place. There are pictures of Oman, Jordan, Saudi Arabia. The people who go to Mecca, that's Saudi Arabia, Jeddah, Mecca. Does it look like Accra? I'm asking our people and our brothers and sisters that have been to Mecca for the Hajj pilgrimage. I'm asking a good, when you go there, that display, that Jeddah and Mecca, Medina, not your here Medina, the proper Medina. Nyamomo Medina no wa, wadi man ne egu krum, edi vida asede krum na. Do you see the proper fruits? The kingdom goes to them. Yeah. Forgive all the blood that have stained this nation, like the blood of JB Dankwa Senior. Forgive the blood of Captain Mahaha and the Takrade girls. Forgive the blood, innocent blood that have stained this nation. Innocent blood that have stained this nation. Bless you for your faithfulness and faith.